Hi, I'm Angie with Dog Guard Out of Sight Fencing. And if you're watching this video, it means that you've recently had your underground dog fence installed and that progress is going well and that you're pleased with things. I would like to just give you a couple of quick tips that will help with your dog's long-term success of the underground fence. First of all, it's really important that you're consistent with the dog. And when I mean consistent, I mean wearing the collar every time that it's outside. You want to make sure that you put it on first thing in the morning and that you put it on so that it's tight, so that when you put it on, the probes are actually touching the dog's neck. And then you want to make sure that at night that you remove the collar to give the dog's neck a break. If you leave it on every day and you don't take it off, or if you don't rotate it from place to place, what will happen is the dog can potentially get pressure sores and would cause irritation with their skin, and we don't want that to happen. It's equally as important, though, when you take it off at night, that you don't put it any place where the dog can get to the collar, because even if it's never chewed anything before, it will destroy this collar. I also wanted to remind you about the flag removal. It's important, if your dog is attempting to leave the yard, that you leave all the flags for the first week. At the end of the first week, you can remove every other one. At the end of the second week, remove every other one. And at the end of the third week, remove the rest of them. If your dog is not attempting to leave the yard and is showing some signs of anxiety when going out into the yard, it's probably because the flags are giving them some unnecessary stress. So it's okay to begin pulling the flags out sooner. 2 days after the installation, if the dog is still stressed, what we would like you to do is pull out every other flag, then wait 2 days, pull out every other flag, and at the end of the next week, you can remove the remainder of the flags. It's important that you remove them with the dog in the house, because it will make them feel pretty anxious if you're pulling them out with them in the yard. I would also suggest possibly keeping some of the flags. If your dog happens to start digging in a flower bed or in a garden many times, if you put the flags up, it will deter them from doing that as well. Thank you so much for your business. We really appreciate it. Your dog's safety and security is our top priority, and we want to make sure that you're completely satisfied.